Hi to everyone. This is the additional instruction for your performance task. So your performance task is MATHibay Townhomes, the home of the future. So topic similarity. This is now the content. As a marketing strategy to attract potential investors and buyers, a diorama making company was tasked to design a comprehensive miniature model unit of the MATHibay Townhomes, which includes miniatures and representations of the materials to be used for the floors, walls, and fixtures. You are an interior designer, a layout artist, and or a contractor who is assigned to sketch the miniature model unit of a townhouse. You will apply the concept of ratio and proportion and similarity in the design of model units or map or scale models. The standard for success is accuracy of the model unit, legend, collaboration of peers, overall impact, and timeliness. Class, please make sure to read first the content and also the rubric. Okay, please understand the rubric first before you actually start doing the performance task. Okay, so these are the criteria: legend, accuracy, scale, overall impact, collaboration with peers, and timeliness. All right, so this is already the sample output. Class, please don't think too critical in constructing this performance task. So just like what you are seeing, this is already the sample output. Okay, but do not copy. This is my own example. Okay, so you can actually make your own. It's just a 2D, it's not a 3D. 2D, it means it's just a drawing. Okay, so just like what you are seeing, we have the first floor, we have the second floor. In the first floor, okay, there are parts of the house that's there. So the thing that you're going to do is a townhouse. There's first floor and second floor. Okay, and please indicate the actual dimensions that you are going to see. It's much better if you just search online and then, okay, please do not copy it completely and just modify it. You can design it the way you want. Okay, all you need to do is just this one. Okay, if you would like to put some furniture there or what, it's up to you. Or design, okay, to actually put something that will improve your output. Again, this is already the thing that you're going to do. Do not think too critical. Okay? If you would like to make your own, there's no problem. If you would like to search online and just modify, there's no problem as well. For as long as you're not going to copy it completely, just modify it. I will be able to know if you have just make a copy and paste of it. Okay, so I have a lot of ways to find out. Okay, so these are the instructions. Use Microsoft Office. When we say Microsoft Office, there are a lot of applications under Microsoft Office. Example, we have Word, Publisher, PowerPoint, and so on and so forth. In sketching or drawing the miniature, or if you have some other way to do it using some other applications, it's up to you. After sketching or drawing the 2D, save it as an image or JPEG. Okay? So that it's easy for you to actually transfer it to other file. So, you will have the same teammate as the first mini task about conditional statements. Strictly no switching or removing of teammates. So again, I will be stricter this time. You're not allowed to switch, you're not allowed to remove. If your groupmate is not participating, you approach me ahead of time so that I can talk to him or her. Okay? So you're not allowed to remove, you're not allowed to do it your own. It must be a teamwork. Okay? So first floor scale model. So it's a townhouse. We have first floor, second floor. The first floor must be done by the first member, and the second floor must be done by the second member. And then the next thing is after you've done it, your individual task, okay, you can actually combine them. After sketching, you will combine your work in Microsoft Word and save it as PDF so that when you submit it on Orange Apps, um, okay, so I can actually see the actual. Unlike if you're going to submit it as Word, okay, sometimes the format will be different, okay, and so on and so forth. So just save it as PDF and then upload it on Orange Apps on or before March 6, 2021 until 5 p.m. That's the submission. Then number 5, please consider the rubric in constructing your output. Then, so you will submit the PDF as I was saying, okay, on March 6 until 5 p.m. Should there be any questions or clarifications, please don't hesitate to contact me. All right. So if there is something that's not clear to you or what, okay, you can contact me. So we're going to have the same groupings. If you are three in the group, okay, you are lucky enough. It's up to you on how you're going to actually divide the work. All right. So for Acts, Colossians, Corinthians, Ephesians, Galatians, and Hebrews. Okay, so if you have some questions and clarifications, you can contact me or you can actually approach me directly. If one of your members is not participating, I'll be more than willing to assist you on how we can contact him or her, or how can I contact the parents or guardians because I have the numbers of your guardians and parents. So I'm also doing that, okay, whenever there's someone who's approaching me that the teammate is not actually participating. So I'm not going to contact the student because sometimes he or she will not answer me. So I'm going to contact the guardian or the parent so that, okay, so we can actually ask or help from them. Okay, so that's it. Good luck. And then for next week, you're going to have your exam about special right triangles. Don't forget. All right. So don't think too critical. Okay. This is already the sample output that I would like to say. It's just it. Okay. All you need to do is just consider the rubric in doing it. Again, thank you so much and have a nice weekend and happy working with your team. Okay.